What's up? Kicks With Kam, back with another video. Today we're doing a review on the Air Jordan 12 University Gold. Stay tuned. Yeah. So yeah, it's Kicks With Kam. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, man, hit the like button, man. Keep showing love. So let's go ahead and get into the review. Today we're doing the Air Jordan 12 University Gold. Traditional Air Jordan 12 box. The Concourse came in this box too, I think. Tag reads Air Jordan 12 Retro. And the colorway is black, University Gold, and black. Retail price $190. Go ahead and get to the box. Brown regular 12 box with Jumpman logo. Brown paper. And then let's get an up close and personal view of the Air Jordan 12 University Gold. The shoe. Side panels black. The midsole has University Gold. Look like a light yellow to me. Black on the toe box with a little yellow on it. It pretty much looks like the flu games, but it has University Gold where the red would be. The tongue is black. Then it has a University Gold Jumpman. Then it say TWO2. Then the number 3 on there. Pretty simple shoe, but it's pretty dope. University Gold on the other side panel. Black leather. It's like it's a pretty decent leather. Not the best leather, but it's pretty decent. I think they should have went with a suede. Got the Jumpman on the eyelids, black shoelaces, black tongue. It has a gold Jumpman inside, black sock liner. Okay, on the outsole, 2 black pods, a black Jumpman, carbon fiber in the middle. Then it's like a translucent University Gold. It's pretty dope. It's a pretty dope shoe. It's simple, but it's dope. Gets the job done. So let me get an on feet of them. You guys can check them out. And like that, that's University Gold 12s. Tell me if this is a cop or a drop. If you like Air Jordan 12, you definitely should put this in your collection. Pretty simple shoe, just black and gold. It's just a Gary Payton PEs pretty much. And they just put it to General Public. Retail price was $190. They dropped on July 24th. They got pushed back a couple of times, man. I've been wanting to get these, man. I was looking at these last year. I was like, yeah, I definitely want to get them. And pretty much, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, man. Please, thank you. And comment down like what shoes you plan on copping in August. Like that amount.